Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is 6 Bad Clients Freelance Writers Should Avoid, Part 2. Bad clients? We've all been there. One type to watch out for? The dreamers. These clients have big ideas, like the moon and the stars. You're enticed to support their goals because you like them too. But the problem is, they couldn't tell you how to get there. You'll have to figure it out yourself and give it to them on time. For example, I had this client who wanted a website for a startup business. He gave me a few instructions and 2 websites to get inspiration from. He even said that he doesn't care about SEO and other stuff. I asked for more info about the business, but I only received a few details. So I had to figure out how I could make his website make sense. Frustrating, right? Freelance writers know that bad clients exist. It shouldn't be a never-ending cycle of frustration. Do you agree? Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.